Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is a UDOT Construction Update. Eastbound I-80 will be down to one lane this weekend from Friday night through Sunday night, just east of the Salt Lake International Airport. A couple of freeway on-ramps will also be closed, including the ramp from northbound Bangerter to eastbound I-80 and the ramp from the airport to eastbound I-80. Now, these restrictions may cause some moderate delays and traffic congestion, so keep that in mind if you're traveling in the area this weekend. And if you're leaving the airport, you can take southbound Bangerter Highway to the 201 and use that to get onto I-80. In Draper, I-15 will be reduced to 3 lanes in both directions between 123rd and 146th South from Saturday night to Sunday morning. Construction crews will be completing repairs on I-15 under the Point Project warranty. Now, this work may cause some minor delays, and drivers should plan for heavier than normal traffic. And in Little Cottonwood Canyon, a paving project is scheduled to start Monday morning on SR 210. The highway will be reduced to a one-way road with flaggers directing traffic Monday through Thursday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. All lanes will be open in the canyon every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and this project is scheduled to wrap up in September. Make sure that you're in the know about all of our construction projects this summer so that you can get to where you need to go. Visit our website, udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT Traffic app.